This video goes straight to all the creative folks out there, the wannabe animators, game and graphic designers, 3D visualizers. Assemble right here. Duke Training Center in Abu Dhabi has been offering job-specific programs for almost 20 years now. We have extensive training programs in 3D Max, Adobe Photoshop, and more such software that are led by highly experienced trainers. You can either choose to learn online or offline, that are all one-on-one training sessions. The interesting fact is that you get to work on many projects while on the course itself, so that by the end of it, you have an impressive portfolio and can easily land your first job. While the whole world is driven by social media, and if you have the creative edge, it's time to nurture it with the right courses from the right sources. To know more about our 3D Max and Photoshop courses, click the link below right away.